Hi guys, real quick video on how to make shorts on Powerdirector from your normal 16:9 ratio and how to convert it to the 9:16 ratio for shorts on Powerdirector. A very quick and very short video on how to do this. Okay, hope it helps you. See ya. First thing you do is open up your Powerdirector to your normal editing page and select your preferred footages that you want to edit. Pretty basic, same as normal. Go up to the set your project aspect ratios and click on 9:16. It'll come up with a warning telling you that it suggests you don't do that, but because you need that, that's what you have to do. Go to the shorts format. A warning will come up suggesting that you change things. You say no, you want the 9:16 ratio. You click on your track that you want to edit, then you go to the tools section, power tools, and then go up to crop and zoom. Click that and that will bring you to that screen there, and what you have to do now is adjust the little boundary, to what part of the other aspect ratio that you want to. You've got to choose the part of the original footage that you want 9:16 ratio. If you have people in it or something important in it, you may have to move it around a bit. On this example, I'm only using one video clip. You would do it on all the video clips. As I said, sometimes you may have to move it a little bit to get the features that you wanted in the abbreviated shorts screen. That's pretty simple. That's really all that you've got to do. You then proceed and edit all your footages into a normal movie under 1 minute, which means a real lot of cutting and editing. Happy with your editing, you go up to the produce button. The rest of this you probably all know, but I'll go through it anyway. You go to your YouTube channel, you click on upload, you get the screen like this, then you open the file where your video productions are stored, and you just click and drag it across onto the YouTube upload screen. Then you go through the process of putting your titles in, putting your descriptions in, choosing a thumbnail. I myself use Morning Fame to try and work out the better algorithms, and I also use Canva thumbnail director, which I find is great. I know that's not directly to do with this video, but that's just what I do. Anyway, you load it up. Now, another thing I want to put in here is allow embedding. Why would you allow people to use your footage for their own purposes? So don't tick that, take that tick off. With the normal videos, there's another one which allows people to, also on the normal videos, there is another tick that allows people to use your videos. You untick that too. But on the shorts, you've only got the allow embedding. Remove that if you want to, otherwise somebody could just copy your videos and put them on another format, put them on another video channel and get paid for your videos. Just be aware of that. Maybe you want people to share your videos and everybody can see them, but a lot of people put them up and put their name on them and get credit and get paid for it. Be aware of that. Okay, see you guys. Hope it all works good. That's how you do shorts on Powerdirector. See ya.